Okay, so today we're going to do another project. This is a little bit easier than the first one. Why didn't I start here? Who knows? But this one, all we're doing is just guessing a number in between 1 and 100. And this doesn't require much, but it can help build some confidence as well as gain a foundation, or gain not a full foundation, but gain some principles in programming while enforcing some of the concepts that we discussed in the first video. So here's the app. So it says guess a number between 1 and 100. Let's say I already know the number is because I don't want to have to keep guessing. But if it's 50, if I say, let's say 5. Let's say if I do 5, it says too low. Okay. Let's say if I say 50, it's too low. That means it's like, not as great. Or I should guess higher. Let's say if I did 99, okay? Too high, okay? And so you can see based off of the input, whatever the user provides, if it's too high, it's going to say too high. If it's too low, if it's not the number, if it's below the number, it's going to say too low. But let's say, it would be nice if I got closer, it would say you're getting closer. But that's not what this app is going to do. Again, 76 is too high. I'm going to jump around because I already know where it is. 68 is going to say it's too low. And I'm going to say, let's say it's 74. It's too high. If I say 72, it's too low. So therefore you can kind of guess what it is. It's 73. Okay. Once we guess correct, it actually, tells you that it's correct. There's a lot of ways to make this more sophisticated, but again, this is just building the confidence, building what we need to have. So let's actually just let's look at this real fast. Okay, so I opened up a random file just so that I can air out some of my thoughts. Okay, and so I think this is good practice. We did this in the first video, and I think it's nice to like pseudocode or think through what we hope. So ideally there is a number. There is a correct number. Ideally, hold on one moment. I'll pause this. Okay, we're back. Okay, so there is a correct number. There is a correct number. That's great. Okay. Whether ideally you should not know it. You shouldn't know it. And what we want to do is assume. All right. So no, get guess. Get a guess from the user. Okay, so we want the user to tell us something. We want the user to give us some general idea. Okay, and then assume incorrect, or one could argue assume incorrect to an extent, or it's incorrect. And then, well, let's not say assume incorrect. I'm going to say what we're going to do is check if answer is, or let's check if guess that follows one of the three things. Check if guess is less than correct number. Okay. Check if it's is greater than correct number, and then is exactly correct. Okay, and so that's pretty much it. And you want to be able to check this until they're correct. You want to check this until they're correct. That's what my issue was. I didn't want to say assume incorrect. I want to check it until it's correct. So with that being the case, that's pretty much it for this video. What we'll do in the next video is utilize this thought process to then create this code, and it's going to be only a 2-video series because this level of thinking is not may not necessarily cost too much, okay, or require too much. All right, so that's it for today. Thank you for watching.